Hello everybody, welcome back to Abundant Health and Wealth on Facebook and Health and Hydration on YouTube. I was doing a demo for someone last Friday and we were testing different drinks and they wanted to compare their tap water against a bunch of different things to see what kind of effect that was having in their body. I showed them my ORP meter and explained to them that this meter basically measures whether liquid oxidizes or steals energy from your body. If the number is negative, it actually acts like an antioxidant and gives energy to the body. Let's take a look, find out what they found out. And we tested Perrier and you can see it's plus 414. So that's oxidizing the body, it's aging us prematurely, and it's draining our energy. Then we went to Pop, so Canada Dry, and again, plus 480, oxidizing in the body, draining your energy. It's also got a lot of sugar in it, so over a long period of time that could cause diabetes. Then he asked me, he said, I just bought a whole case of Gatorade from Costco. Can you see what that looks like? So we went over to the Gatorade, and this is what shocked me. I knew Pop was bad, but Gatorade is almost upwards of 500. You can see that 498, 99, 499, highly oxidizing in the body. Then I showed them the Kangen water, so minus 700, 707, 708. This acts like a strong antioxidant in the body, gives you energy, slows down the aging process. So every day when we go to the grocery store, we have the choice. We can put these in our body, which are going to age us prematurely, drain us of our energy. The ones with sugar over a period of time will create diabetes because this is refined sugar, not great in the body. Or we can put something that's got natural minerals in the water and acts like an antioxidant and anti-aging and gives us energy. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.